Just a little quick tip video. February the 9th, 10th, something like that. Checking on some colonies, finding a few dead outs. A lot of people will say, oh, the hive beetle population goes down during the winter. Well, this is what I shuck out of one frame where they froze with the hive. And if I take the frames out, you can see more hive beetles on the bottom. And in my beekeeping philosophy, if you can't deal with hive beetles, I don't want you. So all I will say, there's one or two in the cells still where I banged that frame out. I don't want you. That's it. I want survivor bees. I do not want mollycoddled bees, as Roger Patterson says, where you have to treat them and mollycoddle them through winter. And does it suck when you lose colonies? Yes, it royally does. Is it a testament to bad beekeeping? Could be. All things are not created equal. And obviously these girls were not up to the task of dealing with winter and dealing with small hive beetles. So that's your quick tip of the day. Hive beetles do not die off during the winter. They keep going. Have a good day.